Here we are at Contra Costa Powersport at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki KFX90 Kid Quad. This is run for the little guys and gals, 12 and up, ages 12 and up only, but this thing runs really fantastic. The 4-stroke electric start, 90cc Kid Quad. It's got a backup kick. Fantastic condition. Price to sell quickly, just $24.99. This is a green sticker quad for DMV purposes. Come on by. We have finance. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Rob, I think you're a little too big for that one. Go get him, Tiger. Watch this thing take off with him. He weighs about 215. Nice. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.